And good morning, Bitcoin gladiators. This is Drew coming at you with the morning market report for Bitcoin and for XRP. Getting started with the Bitcoin, just taking a look here. As per my previous video, I was mentioning that this is a buying opportunity. I know many of you were afraid, thinking you're going to lose all your money, but like I mentioned to you, and you should take a look at the previous video explaining what has happened. I was saying that to buy here and to go long. So again, props to you who has been following my trades and has been making gains once again, starting from here and now up here. So with regards to the future trend of this, we're going to see it staying around this area for quite some time. But once it breaks either down at 56.33, it's going to hit this support right here. If it's going to cross over here at 57.630, once it crosses that, it's going to end up here as a resistant. And once we break through here, and once everything starts settling down, everything is going to continue to move up to $70,000. But this is going to take a little bit of time because of what happened over the weekend. Many people are readjusting their portfolio, and once they start funneling in their money, it should start pumping everything up, as we can see right here. Everything was incredibly red, but Dogecoin is still coming ahead of the whole race at this point. Now, if we're looking at XRP, we're going to see what's happening with that. XRP is usually the same story as Bitcoin. So we're beginning to see that there's a resistance here at the price of $1.48. So we're going to see it always hitting against this. But once it breaks through, I would probably buy a position once it busts through $1 and about $1.50. Then the next stop is going to be $1.73 and so forth and so on. So once that happens, I would buy up. This is looking really healthy, and it's again on its way up. Now, with that said, the maximum low that I'm looking at here, it's going to be about there. If it's going to go to the downside, this is another buying opportunity for many, and I'm going to buy another position going long once it hits this price point. If it does, the chances are highly unlikely it won't. And the reason being is that once everyone starts taking out their money out of Dogecoin and it loses momentum and hype, because all of this was actually pumped up by pretty much, Elon Musk and celebrities, and everyone was just jumping on the wagon. But all of these things are very short-lived, so it's gonna come down, and once that happens, all the money will be funneling back into the rest of these. So with that said, that looks pretty good. I mean, this is a good time to buy in, but it's going to take a little bit of time. So my suggestion would be looking at other altcoins. So a few of my picks are Cardano, Tron. Neo was actually one of my picks on Friday night, also VeChain. So other than that, that's really it. There's not too much today, and we were expecting this because of this crazy action that happened over the weekend. So all of this needs to cool off, and everyone needs to get recollected with regards to their positioning. So this will take a little bit of time. With that said, I'm going to take a look at the markets again midday so that I can give you guys an idea of my trades and where I think it's headed. But with all this said and done, do not, I repeat, do not buy high and sell low. You will always lose. And if you continue to play that game, I think you should play a different type of game, because you're going to lose every single time. So if you like what you hear, hit that subscribe. Let me know what you think. And again, kudos to you who have sent me comments and the massive gains of profit that you've received. by following the trades, and that just makes this all worth it. I don't get anything out of this. I just want to see you and others and the people who follow my team actually make profits during a time of COVID. I know it's hard for everybody, so losing money isn't an option. All right, well, have yourselves a great day, and remember, if you know your direction, you know your destination, have yourselves a great day.